Welcome to Raw is
Red Beard Recipes.
Hey team, Carl here, Red Beard Recipes. This is jalapeno poppers. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Let's get you started.
too hot, too spicy.
Start by popping your garlic, lamb mince and cumin with a pinch of salt into a pan and fry until brown. Next, cut your jalapenos in half and de-seed them. Next, fill the jalapenos with cream cheese, then add a sprinkle of paprika over that. Next, stack the lamb mince on top. And finally, wrap with bacon. And get ready to throw them on the barbecue. Pop them in the oven or on the barbecue at around 200 degrees C and cook until the bacon is crispy.
Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye, have a beautiful time.